Hi everyone. I hope everyone are safe. Today's video is about how do we get to know the server soft delete option is enabled for a service Azure Service Recovery Vault. Okay, this is actually from a specific user where they have requested to make a demo on how do we get the inputs on Azure Service Recovery Vault security settings to understand what is the soft whether the soft delete option is enabled or not. Okay, so before me jumping about what is an Azure Service Recovery Vault and how do we get understand what is a soft delete option and how do we get the details, uh, you can actually find the scripts on this PowerShell demo videos in my Git repository. Okay, so you can even try forking the and you can have your own report. So viewers can actually ask you can leave your comments on a specific demos in a similar fashion and I'll definitely come up with it. So please subscribe to my channel and let's jump into the script part. So before understanding getting the details on that, uh, let's actually see what is the service recovery vault. So the service recovery Azure Service Recovery Vault is nothing but actually a place where you can actually back up your Azure VMs, or if you see a SQL server, or you can actually go for your on premises and everything. So there are actually two services, which is backup and site recovery. And in backup, you can actually, in fact, go with virtual machine, SQL Server, or a file share and everything. So its site recovery is all about how do you enable the replication in terms of that so that it can store in some other region and all this. So which in fact is helpful. You can back up the VMware machines and the Hyper-V machines. Okay, so the Azure Recovery Service Vault doesn't just provide the backup. So when if there is any malicious user, in fact, is deleting your servers or in fact the backup data itself, the Azure Recovery Service Vault will actually help you with the soft delete option. You can find your soft delete option from the security settings. So here you can actually see from the portal, if you go inside the property section and click on the security settings. Now here is actually the soft delete option. So if there any malicious user in fact is also deleting the backup data, the Azure is providing the service that saying that you will have 14 days retention of the delete operation. So now what was the question is about how do we get to know what is the service recoveries updates it security settings soft delete option is updated or not? How do we get to know through PowerShell? Okay, so me jumping back to the script about it, it is in fact very easy. You can find it from a Git repository. So if you are actually going for a specific vault, okay, so you need to have the vault name and the resource group where the vault has been located, and you have to get the ID of the vault, and you provide it to the agent recovery service vault property. So you are going to the properties and you are checking for security update settings. So the same thing the command is in fact doing. It will get the what are the properties which are there and whether it's enabled or not. Okay, the security setting is updated enabled or not, and is it the soft delete option is enabled or not. Okay, so let's try running it. And so before you running it, you have to log into your account, and you should have permissions to actually access the service recovery vault details. Okay, so it's actually vault name. Sorry, that was actually has to be the name. So it actually has the vault ID. This is the vault ID. Now using this vault ID, I'll actually get to know what is the properties of that particular vault. So it is actually saying here the soft delete option is enabled. Okay, so in fact if it is it's just that easy. Okay, you can actually in fact use this soft delete feature state. So you can get to know whether it's enabled or not. So if you are having, in fact, if you are having multiple service recovery walls and you wanted to get to know all those details, first we'll that subscription. So you'll get all the service vault here. Specifically, initially I have just took one vault name and asked to get those details. But here I'm asking whatever the service vaults which are there in the subscription. So when you do this, you will actually in fact have all the vaults inside this. And I actually wrote a for each loop saying that for every vault in this vaults, okay, so it will get the properties of each the using the vault ID. Okay, and the property in that properties I am actually looking for soft delete future state. If it is enabled, I am asking it to be in the green color, this text to be in a green color, or I am asking it to else report it in a red color. So let's run this. Now you see it was actually mentioning that the soft delete feature is enabled for recovery. Just that simple, guys. You can actually find my script in the thanks, guys. So please leave your comments in terms of having if you have any more specific questions. Definitely looking forward to more upload more videos on this. Thank you.